name is Mike Wayland, and I'm the Assistant Superintendent at Cushing Public Schools. Well, just high diesel prices, and we felt like going with CNG could save us. With all the utilities across the board going up, when you're a public school, you're only allotted so much, so you got to do the best you can with what you have. So we just felt like that was an area that we could save and actually utilize those funds in other places that would better, help the educational process. Fuel cost has dropped significantly. I would say around 40 to 50% is what we've been looking at. We have right around 35 to 40 buses. It's been a pretty seamless transition. Everybody can get in an interview or whatever and say, hey, we're the best. Well, how do you know? You rank yourself, come on, what's the deal? We visited with a lot of different superintendents, ones that were having a process going on at their school, and everything we heard about both companies has been great, been positive, and so that we wanted to hopefully have that same experience. In fact, I've had several calls in the last month or so, different schools looking into it, and I'd say go for it. It's a great savings, and also, everybody has the fear of maintenance issues and stuff like that. They're just not there. We're just not having them, so I would definitely recommend it.
My name is Brad Smythe, that's S-M-Y-T-H-E. I'm Director of Transportation for Jenks Public Schools. The district has certainly looked into, in the last few years, some greener alternatives to just fossil fuels. And of course, compressed natural gas is a fossil fuel, but it is also greener than burning diesel and unleaded gasoline, and so it was a natural fit for us. We've actually only had this system active for just 2 or 3 weeks now. But we can certainly already see huge savings. I think we're going to look at somewhere between 40 and 60% savings, especially on our gasoline side. Green Energy Solutions has been here from day one. The one thing I can say that I would have to give them an A+ on has been communication with me. Communication with me with Green Energy Solutions could not have been better, from the very onset to the very end of the construction.
My name is Chris Reynolds. I am the superintendent at Washington Public Schools, which is an independent school district in McLean County. The mindset of trying to look at what we could do to have a better value for our school district as well as for our community. McLean County has a poor air quality rating. Going with a cleaner energy such as natural gas allowed us to qualify for multiple grants, as well as to feel better about what we were contributing as far as to the air quality of our community. I can, gladly report to you that we've had 0 leaks or issues that we've had to shut down a bus due to a safety concern. And as far as just the usability and the wear and tear of the vehicles, they're lasting. They've way outlasted my expectations for maintenance. We're on year 7 of our partnership. We still have those same original buses out running. So we know we've made it 7. Can we get to 15? Can we stretch that past 15 to 20? That's our goal, to try to see just how much of a benefit over multiple years this can get. And when you're talking 10, 15, 20 years on a school bus, that's a pretty good rate of return on the investment that you've placed into this project.